Piston ring clearance dito sa 1KD. I-check natin. Ito yung top ring, first groove. Tapos second ring. Tapos yung oil ring. Bali bago lahat, piston, liner. Tapos standard yung piston ring. Pag napansin niyo, mas masikip yung oil ring, mas maluwag yung second ring. Tapos mas masikip yung first ring kaysa sa second ring. Yan yung ring gap dito sa 4HQ natin.